Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to share with you some money secrets that you probably don't know about. These are tips and tricks that we've learned from personal experience and from studying the habits of successful people. So, without further ado, let's get started. First tip: track your spending. One of the most crucial money secrets is to track your spending. This means keeping a record of every dollar that you spend, no matter how small. It's a simple but powerful habit that can help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. Second tip: pay yourself first. Another essential money secret is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you pay your bills or spend money on discretionary expenses. By prioritizing your savings, you can ensure that you're making progress toward your financial goals. Third tip: negotiate your bills. Did you know that you can negotiate many of your bills, such as your cable or phone bills? Many people don't realize this, but it's a simple way to save money each month. Just call your service provider and ask if there are any discounts or promotions that you can take advantage of. Fourth tip: avoid impulse purchases. One of the biggest culprits of overspending is impulse purchases. These are the things that we buy on a whim without really thinking about whether we need them or not. To avoid impulse purchases, try implementing a waiting period before making any non-essential purchases. If you still want it after a few days or a week, then it's probably worth buying. Fifth tip: invest in yourself. Finally, one of the best money secrets is to invest in yourself. This means taking the time to learn new skills or improve your knowledge in a particular area. By investing in yourself, you can increase your earning potential and create new opportunities for growth. Don't forget that building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a one-time event. It takes discipline, patience, and consistency to succeed. By focusing on these money secrets, you'll be on your way to achieving financial success in no time. Bonus tip: surround yourself with people who have similar financial goals and values. This can be a great way to stay motivated and learn from others who are further along in their financial journey. Remember, the earlier you start implementing these money secrets, the better off you'll be in the long run. So, start taking action today and watch your finances grow over time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found these money secrets helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.